Today I am reviewing the ASUS ROG Strix G18 gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The ASUS ROG Strix G18 2025 model in Eclipse Gray is not just a laptop, but a definitive statement on what modern mobile computing can achieve when engineers refuse to compromise. After spending substantial time with this machine, it is clear that the integration of the Intel Core Ultra 9275HX processor marks a significant leap forward in how we handle complex workloads. With 24 cores split between performance and efficiency, the multitasking capabilities are truly breathtaking. In real-world scenarios, this means you can be rendering a high-resolution video in the background while playing a AAA title at maximum settings without noticing a single hiccup in frame delivery. The AI acceleration built into this next-gen CPU is particularly impressive, as it noticeably speeds up creative workflows that used to take hours, reducing them to mere minutes. When you lift the lid, the 18-inch ROG Nebula Display immediately demands your attention. Moving to a 16:10 aspect ratio provides that extra vertical real estate that makes a world of difference for both productivity and immersion. The 2.5K resolution combined with a 240Hz refresh rate creates a visual experience that is buttery smooth. Because it is Pantone validated and covers 100% of the DCI P3 color space, the colors are deep, accurate, and incredibly vibrant. ASUS has also implemented a new ACR film that does a fantastic job of minimizing glare and boosting contrast, which is a lifesaver if you are working or gaming in a room with a lot of ambient light. The graphical power provided by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 with 16GB of GDDR5 memory is where this machine truly separates itself from the pack. Testing this GPU with the latest titles reveals the incredible impact of DLSS 4 and advanced frame generation. Ray tracing performance has reached a point where lighting and reflections look photorealistic while maintaining high frame rates that were previously unthinkable on a portable device. The inclusion of advanced Optimus technology is another highlight, as it intelligently switches between the integrated and discrete graphics to save battery life during lighter tasks, then kicks into high gear the moment you launch a game. What truly makes this specific configuration a juggernaut is the sheer scale of the memory and storage. Having 64GB of DDR5 memory at 5600 MHz means you essentially never have to worry about RAM limitations, no matter how many virtual machines or high-resolution assets you have open. Furthermore, the 8TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD provides an astronomical amount of space with throughput speeds up to 7,000 megabytes per second. The fact that the system includes PCIe Gen 5 ready slots shows that ASUS is thinking about the future, allowing for even faster storage upgrades down the line. Managing this much power requires an extraordinary cooling solution, and the ROG Intelligent Cooling System delivered. The combination of an end-to-end vapor chamber and the use of Conductonaut extreme liquid metal on the components ensures that heat is moved away from the core hardware efficiently. During long gaming marathons, the Tri-Fan technology keeps the chassis remarkably cool to the touch and prevents the thermal throttling that plagues smaller laptops. Even under heavy load, the fan profile remains managed and avoids the high-pitched whine often associated with high-performance machines. Connectivity is equally future-proofed with the inclusion of Wi-Fi 7, which provides incredible stability and speed for online gaming and large file transfers. Every aspect of the ROG Strix G18 2025 feels premium, from the tactile feedback of the keyboard to the robust build of the Eclipse Gray chassis. It is a massive machine, but it uses every inch of its frame to provide an uncompromising experience. For the professional who needs a portable workstation or the enthusiast who wants the absolute best gaming experience currently possible, this laptop sets a new benchmark for the industry. It is a masterclass in engineering that balances raw power with intelligent design and cooling.